In today's video, I'll show you how to create AI music prompts using ElevenLabs so you can generate more accurate and high-quality music results with simple text descriptions. If you're new to AI music generation, the key thing to understand is that your prompt controls everything: style, mood, instruments, and overall feeling of the track. First, sign into your ElevenLabs account and open the Audio or Music Generation section. This is where you'll create and test your AI music prompts. Next, think about the type of music you want. Start with the basics like genre and mood. For example, you might want something calm, energetic, cinematic, or upbeat. Now build your prompt step by step. Begin with the genre, then add mood, then include instruments, and finally describe the atmosphere or setting. The more specific you are, the better the result will be. For example, instead of writing something simple, you could describe a cinematic orchestral track with emotional piano, slow build-up, and a dramatic and inspiring tone. After entering your prompt, click Generate and let the system create your music. Listen carefully to the result and see how closely it matches your idea. If the output isn't quite right, adjust your prompt by changing words, adding more detail, or simplifying certain parts. Small changes in wording can completely change the final sound. Once you're satisfied with the result, download the track and use it in your videos, presentations, or creative projects. Practicing different prompt styles will help you understand how to communicate better with the AI and get more consistent results. And that's how you create AI music prompts with ElevenLabs. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.